Who discovered the solar system? Which planet is known as the morning star? The scientists have found some proofs of presence of water on which of the following planets? Mercury is. Which of the following planets has the smallest diameter? The scientists have found some proofs of presence of water on which of the following planets? Which is the natural satellite of the Earth? Bodies which usually fall from the sky on the Earth are called. Solar eclipse occurs when? Lunar eclipse is caused when a The rising of the evening star indicates the Which is the hottest and brightest planet in our solar system? Which of the following planets is dropped from the list of planets in 2006? Lunar eclipse occurs only on a Which planet takes the largest time to go once around the Sun? Who was the first woman to travel into space? Who was the first tourist in space? There is a well-developed system of rings around it. This statement is about. Which planet is known as the evening star? How many days does the Moon take to return to the same position among the constellations? How many layers are present in the atmosphere of the Sun? Which is the brightest planet in the Solar System? Which one of the following planets has the maximum number of satellites? Name 2 planets lying between the Sun and the Earth. The first ever artificial satellite was launched by The visible part of the Sun is called Name the first astronaut to set foot on Moon. NASA is a space agency of Russia launched its space station into space in 1986, which was Sun rises in the east and sets in the west due to the which is the U.S. Space Shuttle. How many planets are present in our galaxy? The planet which revolves very slowly around the Sun is Which planet is known as Earth's near twin planet? Hubble is launched in 1990. Which is the U.S. Space Shuttle? Who was the first person in space? Who was the first Saudi, first Muslim also, in space? The first ever artificial satellite was launched by When did the space age begin with the launch of the Russian Sputnik? Name the first animal to be sent in space. Name the first artificial satellite. Which planet contains largest quantity of carbon dioxide with 95%? How many satellites, moons, of Saturn planet? The comet, named after Edmund Halley, reappears after a time of every. The group of small pieces of rock revolving round the Sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter are called. Blue dwarfs refer to. What are red giants? Which of the following is USA Space Shuttles? The heaviest mass revolving round the Sun is. The planet which has longest day is. What is the rank of the Earth in the Solar System in terms of size? The Earth revolves around the Sun at a speed of. A light year is equal to. The planet which has shortest year is. The planet which has longest year is